Hey everybody, it's Professor Thomas. Here's a quick explanation of what is a Genius Clock at the Genius Combine. So if you look over here, the Genius Clock number 1 and Genius Clock number 2. We have Ethan and Genius Clock number 1. If you look over here, the assistant will sit right here, and then the first student that's actually going over the work will sit over here, and this student is waiting to get into position number 1. So while we're working on the practice tests, once the kids finish the problems, they'll come over and they'll go over the answers that they got wrong. So Ethan's Genius Clock, and here is Zach's Genius Clock. Once again, the Genius Mentor will sit here, and then position number 1, position 2, and position 3. So if you see Zach is working, going over problems with Gerald, while we have Philip waiting in line to get into the next position. Now, while Philip is waiting to get into position 1, he should be working on English or math. Then we have a spot open here, so the next student would come in and simply sit down in position 3. After about 6 or 7 minutes, the student will finish in 1, leave, and then student 2 here will get up, move, and this student will move over here. Why do we call it the Genius Clock? Because the positions will move in a clockwise fashion. There it is. It's a quick overview of the Genius Clock at the Genius Combine.